Hi everyone, welcome back to Jobkar. I'm Shabana and today I'm here with a new video and today we will discuss about our job opportunity. But before moving further with the video, I would like to request you to subscribe to Jobkar for more job notification and placement preparation related videos as we upload videos on daily basis for job recruitment. So you will definitely gonna get help from this and this will help you get your first job. So please do like, share and subscribe and also hit the bell icon so you never miss any update from Jobker. So with that note, let's quickly गेट स्टार्टेड विद टुडेज वीडियो। और आज के वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं DXC टेक्नोलॉजी की तरफ से एक हायरिंग के बारे में जो कि है एसोसिएट प्रोफेशनल एप्लीकेशन डिलीवरी के लिए। एंड वी विल क्विकली जंप टू द जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन नाउ। सो as a associate professional application delivery, you will be assist with the coordination of activities of functional areas or of department account leads to ensure that business should not require requirements are met, that business solution requirement should met, and assist in interpreting demand forecast and planning, works with team members to provide high quality specifications for complete end-to-end project delivery, and maintains record of accounts and specific application problems, and assist in prioritizing work request, work closely with senior team members in coordinating communications between lines of service and clients to ensure that integration of new, enhanced and existing application meet clients specification, and assist in identifying and researching application improvement to increase customer and stakeholder satisfaction and ensure delivery of project meet a client and company expectations and needs. Okay, so basically as a associate professional application delivery, you will be like going to look all the delivery timelines, like delivery timelines meet करना चाहिए, कोई भी delay नहीं होना चाहिए in the project delivery. In all these areas you will going to work. Okay, now basic qualification for this is you should have bachelor's degree or equivalent combination of education and experience, and bachelor's degree in business administration and engineering, information system or related field preferred. Okay, so you should have bachelor's degree. If you have done BBA or engineering in information system or related field, then you will be preferred. Okay, but all the graduates can apply for this job. सारे graduates जो हैं वो eligible हैं because they only want bachelor's degree. Okay, now 0 or more years of support service or project or program experience. So अगर आपने पहले कभी काम किया हुआ है ना support service और like you have programming experience, तो that will be a good add-on and you should have that experience because they want the experience. Okay, now experience working with the technology industry. So you should have some experience working with the technology and experience working with company products and operating system, and experience working with computer system and their use. So if you have work in any of these areas and they have not mentioned the how much year or how much experience they want, but if you have any experience which they have mentioned, then you can apply for this job. Now look at the other qualifications. So basic project management skills, basic analytical and problem solving skills, and interpersonal skills to interact with customers and team members, and organization and time management skill and communication skills, then ability to work independently and as a part of a team, and willingness to travel. Okay, so these all are the some basic qualification they want in you, basic skills basically. So these are the very basic, so they everyone have these skills, so you can apply for this job if you meet the this basic qualification. Okay, now work environment will be office environment, so this will not be a work from home job, this will be a work from office job. Okay, So if you want to apply for this job, then you can find the link in the description box. So go to the link and click on this apply button and complete your application. And for further process, company will coordinate to you or through your registered email ID. So be active on your registered email ID, check that on daily basis. Okay, now this is all for today's video. If you like the video, then you need to hit the like button and subscribe to Jobker so that you can get job updates in future also. And also hit the bell icon, and please share it with your friends and family. And yeah guys, please share it because we really need your support. So please support us, and I'll be coming back with more such kind of videos. Till then, take care and bye bye.